Welcome to the channel, viewers. I hope you are all fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. So today in this video, very beautiful and very trendy Pakistani and Indian style casual wear dressing neck design for ladies. This is very beautiful, most attractive, most trendy and very fabulous ladies kurti neck design. I hope you like this video. Viewers, I request you please subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon so that you can get our daily update. If you will not press on the bell icon, you will not get any update or any kind of notification from this channel. So lots of very beautiful and very fabulous ladies kurti, ladies shirts, ladies kameez neck design for casual wear. If you are new in my channel, I request you please subscribe to my channel for more latest videos and visit my channel, because in my channel you will get much more fashion related content. If you want to see more videos like this, so please must tell us about your choice. What kind of fashion related content do you want to see in my channel? Please must tell us, so we will try to upload that videos and that content according to your choice. And for more latest videos, visit my channel. If you want to see more videos like this, so please must tell us about your choice. And if you have any question, if you want to ask something about this video, so you can give your comments under this video. We will wait for your comments, we will wait for your likes. I hope you are still enjoying this video. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to give your thumbs up, and don't forget to give your comments. We will wait for your comments, we will wait for your likes. And which one design did you like most from this video? Please must tell us about your choice. Viewers, please subscribe to my channel, I request you again, and visit my channel. Lots of fashion related content you will get from my channel. So thanks for watching this video, and always keep remember us in your special prayers. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz, and take care of yourself.